as I said, they're pretty hard to feel, but there's generally some tissue change you can feel around a around a trigger point. So what you're looking for is the tight band, then that sense of, see if you can feel the nodule in there, which will be the point, and we'll often be surrounded by a little bit of bogginess, fluid change and whatnot there that just indicates that there's some kind of dysfunction there. And then in that, if that is associated with the exquisite tenderness, you can be pretty sure that that's you found a trigger point. Looking at the structure, the actual muscle fiber provides these contraction knots where they contract. And there might be several of those within a trigger point. So it might just be one fibre, it might be 4, 5, 6 fibres there, but they'll all be close together. They'll be close to these, what they call the dysfunctional end plates, the point at which the alpha motor neuron attaches to the muscle. And there will you can actually hear these dysfunctional end plates spontaneously releasing acetylcholine there and causing probably is initiating anyway, the contraction of the muscle there. But once the contraction knot is formed, these can stop sending the message and the contraction still stays. Okay, so this is an illustration I got out of Peter Baldry's book there, where he's just managed to illustrate this is a normal muscle fibre, normal tone, normal thickness. Okay, and when we get these contraction knots, you can see that stretches out. You get this intense contraction here, which causes the rest of the muscle fibre to stretch out, and these become the basis of the tight bands. And you find these contraction knots in close association with the dysfunctional end plates, the synaptic junctions between the alpha motor neuron and the muscle fibre, which are also usually in close association with sympathetic nerves and blood vessels. So there is this kind of anatomical basis to the whole thing. They do, which is why they'll occur in predictable places, because these kind of arrangements happen in particular places.